We present a novel geometry processing pipeline to plan the fabrication of complex shapes from a single block of material using 4-axis CNC milling machines. This setup extends classical 3-axis CNC machining with an extra degree of freedom to rotate the object around a fixed axis. Given an input model, we first remove the high-frequency details, in order to have a smoother surface to operate on. Then, we identify the rotation axis that maximizes the overall fabrication accuracy. We find two height field regions at the rotation axis extremities that will be used to secure the block on the rotation tool. For the remaining portion of the mesh, we find a segmentation into a set of height fields whose principal directions are orthogonal to the rotation axis. We use a graph cut approach that balances the manufacturing quality and the total number of patches. We reintroduce the high-frequency details, enforcing the height field constraints for each chart. These portions will be fabricated from different directions generated by the 4th-axis rotation. We produce a sequence of meshes ready to be processed by any off-the-shelf software for the 3-axis tool path generation. Then, the block is disconnected from the rotation tool and the fabrication of the top and bottom regions of the mesh is performed. The mold of an extremity is used to secure and align the block for the last manufacturing step. We show an example of a real manufacturing process. We first secure our block to the rotation tool and we perform the fabrication along the directions obtained by the 4th-axis rotation. Finally, we separately fabricate the top and bottom parts of the model. We present some results obtained with our pipeline. Thanks for your attention.